Where am I? You know what? Let me do a Dorothy. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like... Oh, Chris, what is it
So
now?
we are back at garden number 1 with Mark Gregory for the Savills garden, and you can see it's all beautifully planted out. I think a lot of the lights are in, etc. So we'll go and see what's going on.
Come on, guys. Let's give a big round of applause to the team at Hudson Lighting. It's been a journey. If you haven't watched the previous videos, here's a couple clips and highlights.
What? It's not the colour of that one.
And I forgot to mention earlier, this is for, I believe, a Chelsea flower show.
They just...
Something like Ghostbusters.
Everything's all packaged up now for Chelsea. Stay tuned for tomorrow.
I know I shouldn't, but I'm tempted now. Who doesn't love a good transition, right?
Everything's all packaged up now for Chelsea. Stay tuned for tomorrow.
To me, to you, to me, to you, to me, to you, to me, to you. All right, guys. I know when I've had enough fun. Let's continue the video.
Yeah, look at the...
So that's been milled, produced, milled and produced since 9 o'clock this morning.
Task on The Apprentice.
Yeah.
That's unbelievable, Chris.
Yeah,
I do think...
Make sure to stay tuned and subscribe. We've got an exclusive interview coming out between Chris and Mark Gregory.
Oh, seriously? Yeah, of course so.
Did you just film me admitting that I'm having McDonald's and now I'm about to eat a brownie?
That's it now, the admission is there.
Thank you very much.
No worries, no problem.
Let's taste it and give it a little rate.
Great consistency there. A slight chew, but a good chew. Very Moorish. I'll say out of 10, give it a good 9.
200, there we go, sorry, just broke off. God.
Making everyone happier.
Exactly that.
Something in the cat. Oh, thank you so much. Lovely. Did you have anything like that? There you go, sir.
Steady on, Chris. I know you want to feed the 5,000 for all your brownies. Let's have a pit stop at the balcony gardens and have a little chat with Catherine Holland.
So, Catherine, tell me about your inspiration for the garden and why you've done what you've done.
So it was inspired by my love of reading and sitting outside, surrounded by plants. Kind of like the transportive effect that, I guess, you know, when you read a book, it can take you anywhere. And I think depending on the plants you're surrounded by, it can also transport you somewhere.
But kind of bring it in.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So the back wall, there's like about 520 individually sanded and varnished oak covels on the back.
Did you do those?
Yes.
Okay.
With some help from friends and family.
Sure, yeah.
And the reason I went for that is because the galls found on oak trees have been used in ink production, as like the basis for ink production for like 1400 years. And what's a book without ink?
Amazing. I love that. What amazing inspiration.
So, Chris, how about we take a look at these lights then?
It's like the brightest point of the day, but
yeah.
Anyway, they're plugged in. Your wiring's wrong.
Electrician mode activated. Electrician mode activated.
So you've got 2 red and black connect cores going actually into the positive and negative, but what happens is it actually cuts the light output in half. So what I do is I just unplug this and I hope this is the right one. It looks like it's the right one, yeah. Right, double that over, feed that into this connection. Feed that into there, and then this one is going to be the return. So you should only ever have 2 connections in the driver. That's all it's literally meant to have. Tricky, fiddly, tricky. Right, that is now how it should be wired. And then we'll power this on. Terrible. Right, here we go. Plug her in. And we should be back to white. So guys, we're on the last day of the Chelsea build and you can see Catherine Holland's garden just behind me. And we'll be coming back to see it very shortly. So when you come back, you'll be coming back to life.